InSite Elevation Pro gives estimators the tools required to be competitive, accurate, and profitable. Elevation's flexible workspaces give you the ability to work from multiple open CAD and PDF files, Google Earth images, and 3D Live at the same time. A coordinated cursor across all workspaces helps guarantee accuracy. Each workspace panel can be repositioned or moved to a second monitor to maximize efficiency in takeoff production. Merging data from multiple sources is quick and easy in Elevation. In this example, a new page from a PDF file is quickly aligned using common points. First, InSite confirms the scale. Then, two sets of common points are used to quickly align the page. Elevation then confirms a perfect alignment. Alignment to CAD files is just as easy. With just a few clicks, takeoff data can now be entered in from the CAD and PDF files. Data entry itself is similarly quick and easy. Elevation's powerful tracing tools allow you to quickly enter contours with the click of a mouse and generate a surface in seconds. .3D Live validates progress, assuring accuracy during data entry. Importing contours from a CAD file is even easier. Here, the existing contours layer is selected from the CAD Layers menu. Then a quick selection box allows all the existing contours to be imported at the same time. Updating 3D Live confirms that the entry was a success. Once existing and proposed grades have been entered, Elevation's innovative Cut and Fill Contours view allows for unparalleled visualization of cut depths and fill heights. The option to enter soil borings allows quick calculations when removal of unsuitable strata is necessary. Cuts can then be quantified by strata. With data extrapolated from borings, cross-sections can then be produced from any path. Cross-sections can be exported in a number of file formats to be saved or emailed. Elevation also uses boring data to generate a rock alert overlay that visualizes any rock or other difficult strata that may be encountered during the course of the job. In this case, rock alert is used to identify regions on this job where clay will be encountered. Selecting shapes and areas for stripping and demolition is also quick and easy. Here the existing gravel driveway demolition depth and the material takeoff have been entered. If a region needs to be stripped to a strata layer, select it from the layers available from the boring data. Subgrades can also be entered with ease. Here the offset tool is used to expand the subgrade footprint beyond the selected shape. To produce results, Elevation first calculates all the stripping and demolition quantities. Cut and fill is then properly calculated to the subgrade adjustments. Elevation Pro's exclusive dynamic site balancer tool makes value engineering a breeze. Note the new contours after the site balancer is run. The recontoured site can then be exported as a DWG file. Elevation Pro provides detailed reports with itemized stripping and demolition quantities. Additional cuts are identified with strata breakdown if borings are entered. Fills are broken out for each subgrade region, and topsoil respreads and paving and concrete materials are clearly identified. Reports can then be quickly exported to PDF, Excel, and many popular bidding applications. Elevation's vector-based area, length, and item count tools ensure a fast and accurate takeoff. Categories on the area and length report are user-defined, allowing easy sorting for your job's specific properties. Each item and tally is updated in real time as changes and additions are made. Reports like this one are easily exported to a number of file formats. Takeoff results can also be shared with a number of export options, including PDF, CAD, and KMZ. Combine these with Elevation's reports to share with estimators and send information to the field on any device. KMZ Export generates a GPS-aligned file that can be exported with elevation data, including cut and fill contours. When combined with a GPS-enabled tablet or mobile device, this feature allows users to walk right to the location of a structure, building corner, driveway, or any other job feature. KMZ data exported from Elevation is also easy to share, facilitating better collaboration with general contractors, subcontractors, engineers, inspectors, suppliers, and anyone else who might be involved with the project. This exported PDF has layer management that allows all original PDF layers and all InSite layers to be toggled on and off as needed. Similarly, CAD exports include the original CAD document, as well as layers from work done in Elevation. Elevation also supports data export to all the GPS machine control systems, including Caterpillar, Leica, Topcon, Trimble, Komatsu, and more. This is just a brief summary of the many powerful tools included in InSite Elevation. Give us a call or visit our website to learn more about how InSite Elevation can help you earn more on all your earthwork projects.